Morning children. Today we are going to start lesson 3 numbers up to 99. First of all, what do we mean by place value? It means that we will see where the number in front of us belongs to. Does it belongs to tens place or ones place? Here this is number 10. We have 1 10 and 0 ones. That means it is number 10. Now if we add another 10 in it, we will get 10 plus 10. That means 2 tens are 20. Next to that is we will add another 1 10 in 20. That is 10 plus 10 plus 10 equal to 30. Likewise, we will keep on adding 110 in each step and we will read the numbers till we reach 100. Now next is tens and ones. 10 to 19. Now let us see how number 10 to 19 are written in your book. Here each 10 is represented by the group of 10 grapes. And each one is shown by one grape. Look, 10 is a two-digit number, tens and ones. So it represents in the tens and ones column. It has 1 10 and 0 ones. Similarly, 11 is also a two-digit number. It is written in the tens and ones column. It has 1 10 and 1 1. Now you can read tens and ones 10 to 19. Next is number chart. Now you can do this number chart in your book. Page number 33 to 41 in your math book. Now next is counting in abacus. Page number 41. Now next is counting on the abacus. Let us learn what is abacus. Abacus is an instrument with which we can count numbers and understand the place value of each digit in a number. An abacus has spikes depending on the number of digits in a number. Now let us see question number 1. Here count the beats in right spike 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will write number 4 in ones place and then count the number of beats in left side 1, 2. Here we will write number 2. Total 24. Now like this you can do page number 42. Next is numbers from 1 to 50. That is forward counting. Now you must be wondering what forward counting is. The order in which we count numbers starting from. It means you are actually adding 1 to the previous number as we move one step forward. Using this concept, we will do numbers from 1 to 50. The numbers 51. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Like this you can do numbers from 1 to 50, then numbers 51 to 100. Next, missing number. Now we have learned numbers up to 100. Let us count 1 to 100 and find out which number is missing and write in page number 43, 44 and 45. Missing number. Now next is backward counting. In backward counting, you count numbers in the reverse order. That means you are actually subtracting 1 from the number to move backward. Using this concept, we will write backward counting from 100 to 51, like 100, then 99, 98, 97. Like this you write 100 to 51. Now next is numbers and number names. Already you have learned. Here number names has been written. You have to write numbers like 45. You have to write in digit. Number names has been written. You have to write it in numbers only. 29, then 15, then 37, 23, 34, 48, 50, 55. 71, 86, 98, 60, 75, 52, 73. Likewise, here you have to write number names. Number has been written, you have to write only number names. 36, 42, 24, 40, 49, 26, 33, 41, 100, 100. You have to write 100. 57, 72, 84, 96, 85, 90, 87. This one you have to learn properly with correct spelling, and here you write. Then next is greater than. Greater than also you have learned in previous chapter. Greater than, less than, and equal to. So you can do page number 47 and 48 in your book, math book. Next is ascending and descending order. Let us learn about ascending and descending order. What do you mean by ascending order? When we arrange numbers from the smallest to the largest, we call it ascending number. Like here number has been written that 43, 32, 21. Smallest number is 21, then 32, then 43. Like this you have to complete these blanks. Now next is descending number. When we arrange numbers from largest to smallest, we call it descending order. Now you do page number 49 and 50 in descending order, ascending and descending order. Next you have to do smallest number 1 to 100. Here in the flower petal number has been written. You have to find out which one is smallest number and you have to write it in the circle. First one has been done for you, that is 18, 45, 26 and 23. Which one is smallest? 18 is smallest. So in the middle circle you have to write the smallest number. Like this, largest number. Here you have to find out which one is largest number. Look at the first one, 45, 92, 61. Largest number is 92. So in the middle you have to write number 2. Now, as already you have understood the previous lesson that you can do before, after and between in your book, and also you have to do page number 53, 54 and 55 revision time and worksheet. Thank you.